In order to install Git on your computer, go to the following URL: git-scm.com/download. Now in my case, I have a Win already on there. If I took that off, then it would actually go to this screen on the download, and you'd get to choose if you want the Mac or the Windows version. So that one is git-scm.com/download. I'm going to go ahead and click on Windows, and then as stated in other videos ahead of this, you have to know what version you want. Now in my case, it already could figure out that I was a 64-bit. If not, you'd just click on the 64-bit for Windows setup right there. And I'm going to go ahead and click on, well, I'll go ahead and click on that one just so you see. And it's downloading that exe file. And then once it's done, I'll go ahead and open that file. Click on yes, and it will go ahead and start installing the Git information. Now if you notice, it's still the same version as what it tried to automatically download, so we're just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. I'll go ahead and click next. I'm going to leave all this okay. I'm going to go ahead and have additional icons on the desktop. You don't have to do that if you don't want. I'll click next. There's the title of it. By default, it's going to create an item in the Start menu folder. I'll go ahead and leave that. I'll click next. Click next again. And we're fine with this. Get from the command line. If you end up using GitHub, you will end up doing something different anyway, so we'll go ahead and leave the recommended. Open SSL library, leave the recommended. And a lot of these we're just going to leave recommended. And once we're done, I'm going to leave that unchecked. We'll go ahead and click install. And this will begin installing Git on my system. Takes a little bit of time, but not too bad. And once it gets done, it's going to come back with a screen that will tell us it's installed. So I'm going to go ahead, and once that screen comes up, which will be momentarily, then we'll go ahead, and if we wanted to, I don't need to see the release notes, we could go ahead and launch Git by checking that box, clicking next. And this is what Git looks like at the command line. Now if you get out of there, you can type exit and it closes that window. And that's the install of Git.